Hey guys, Sonia here. I had a friend that wanted me to start videotaping some of the things I do around the house. Today's project, my belt jumped off my lawnmower. And this isn't the first time. This is like maybe the fourth time it's jumped off, and I noticed this time that it's frayed and I need a new one. So in order to get a new one, I've got to take the old one off. So first I'm going to start my ratchet, then my wrench. I like to use the ratchet to break the bolt first. Sometimes it can be a little tight, because I got to take this pulley off to get this thing off. Alright, that's off. Now I need to reach up underneath here and get this pulley. It'll budge. I've gotten it off before. Hello, Caden. Come here, Caden. I want to show you guys my dog. Yeah, she's a good girl. She's blocking me now. But anyway, there she is. Okay, they can't see. Sometimes this thing can be kind of a pain. There we go. Pulley is off. Now to get this belt out of here. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. There's the belt. That's where it's messed up right in there. And next thing is to go to the store, get a new one. Till next time, see ya.